Yo! What's good, everybody on YouTube, man? As you can see, man, I'm still feeling that little, this is the day after Thanksgiving. Still feeling a little hype beastie, man. Supreme studded hoodie. This ain't hype beastie because this was not a hyped item on Supreme. That's how I was able to cop it. This was not a hype item. But yeah, man, you know, black and white studded hoodie, you know, all black H&M denim. Got them zebra things on feet, man. As you can see, man, got them zebras on feet. Young zebras on feet. Adidas shirt underneath. But right now, I am about to go pick up those Sesame joints. I hit like 3 raffles on them. Like, they were just handing them out like Oprah. You get a pair, you get a pair. Everybody gets a pair. So basically that's what's going on right now. I got until like 3 o'clock to pick them up. It's like going on like 1 o'clock now, I think, something like that. 12 something going on 1. So heading out, gonna go pick those up real quick and come back, shoot this review for y'all. Hopefully get it edited and everything. Then I'm gonna shoot to Best Buy and Walmart so I can see if I can get Red Dead Redemption 2 and Black Ops 4. I heard they going for like $40 or something like that. So yeah, hopefully I can get that stuff in, get my day over with, man. And I gotta get my mom something for her birthday. We all about to buy her something. I ain't finna say it, but yeah. Happy birthday, mom, I love you. And we gone, man, gang gang. Yes, man, just got here to the Foot Action. Walking up. Surprisingly, it's not as packed as I thought it would be, being like Black Friday and shit. Shit, it ain't really packed at all. You know, people, idiots out here anyway. But yeah, so I'm walking in right now, gonna get that young reservation thing. I'm on my phone right now, by the way, too. So see y'all in a little bit. You know, whole time I'm still in Chicago. Car almost just hit me and shit. So, you know, I still gotta walk around, watch my surroundings, you know. I was something else before I was a YouTuber, you feel me? But got that motherfucking young package secured, man. Finna hop in the car and skirt out this motherfucking parking lot. This ain't the parking lot I really want. Oh shit, dog. This ain't the parking lot I prefer to be in. You do got some joints around here though. But I'm gone, man. Yes, sir, man. Package easily secured, man. As y'all can see, $350 box over there. Kanye said everybody that want a pair is gonna get a pair. They sitting in certain spots. They shouldn't be going, if they is going above retail, they shouldn't be going too much above retail. You know, but as you hurry up, you can catch them sitting. They're sitting online. Certain sites they are sitting on. You know, check out Soul Links. They'll definitely link you to every single site that has them. Certain sites got less pairs than others, but they're slowly, gradually getting sold out. You know, so if you really wanted these, you definitely could have these. And I think even after they sell out on every site, StockX shouldn't have them more than, you know, $20 to $40 over retail. I don't think it'll reach the 300 mark. So you know, the retail on these is like $240. So it'll probably be like $260, $260 something, $270 max. You know, and that's just people, I don't even know if you can see me, but that's just people getting their money back. Like, I don't understand. Like, you don't want the shoe, don't grab it. It's not a resellable shoe. Is that even a word? I just made it up if it's not. It's not even a resellable shoe. You know, it's a mass-produced GR that if you don't want it, you shouldn't touch it. Leave it alone. Like, why are you trying to make $10? You know, it don't make sense. But hey, I'm not in the resale game, so I wouldn't know. I know it's quantity, not quality with GR. So The more you have, you know, $10 on $10 on 10 pair, that's $100. You just made $100 off GRs. You know, even though it's harder to even pop off, you might even end up losing money getting them. You know, but anyways, man, I'm not finna talk y'all ears off, man. See y'all at the crib, man. Gang, gang. Let me put this down. Just got in the crib, man. Y'all already know. Y'all know what it is, man. I had stopped at McDonald's, got me something. Finna go ahead and record this video. I'll try to drop it today. Yeah, sure, why not? And that Thanksgiving video that I dropped, that I recorded on Thanksgiving, that might drop. I don't know, man. That might drop sometime next week. It's a lot of clips I gotta edit and do all the other stuff and try not to get copyrighted. But man, let's go to the shoe room, let y'all see what I picked up, even though y'all already know what it is though. But still, let me give y'all that review. Gang, gang. Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker pickup for y'all today, man. This was fairly easy. Like I said, I think I said in my zebra video, I hit on Champs, I hit on Foot Locker, I hit on Foot Action. I don't know about the overseas raffles that I put in for, but I basically hit on the stuff that like everything I really wanted to hit on. I chose to pick up through Foot Action because I needed to get back to that platinum membership. So I picked up at Foot Action. I had to spend like $200 or something, $220 to get back to that platinum membership for whatever reason, because I was way above that anyway. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Enough all the talking. Let's get straight into it. Got the bag right here on the floor, as y'all can see. That Foot Action bag. Still got the table right here. And here with that long ass receipt. I do got like a $20 coupon or whatever I can use. Y'all already know what these is, man. Yeezys Boost 350. Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Colorway on this is Sesame. If y'all know anything about Yeezys, the 350s, go at least a half size up. My usual size is 9. I got a 9.5. And yeah, man. And I think that's really with all the Yeezys. Like honestly, like even my 700s, I doubled up on them, but I got a size 9. I was finna flip my other size 9, 9.5, but I'm like, nah, the 9.5 felt way better than my 9. I hate that sound box mate. And even on my 500s, I think a 9.5 would have did me some justice, but they still fit real comfortable. Take that little paper out, even though it don't do nothing for the shoe. As y'all know, you have the standard little tags right here that comes on like every single Yeezy ever. So of course it's on the left shoe, so we will be doing the review on the right shoe. So let me give you that full 360 look of the shoe all the way around. Love that gum bottom. Yeah, man, let's get into it. And of course you have that big thick stitching going down the toe, all the way to the toe area, because it's not even a toe box. I mean, it's just the toe area where your toes is at, because it's really no structure to this shoe. That's why it's so comfortable. Honestly, it's no structure. Like Jordans have structures. This have no structure. Like wherever your feet go, this is just gonna mold to your feet. And that's why I really like these, man. Standard lace system for the 350s, factory laced up, of course. You have that little 3 stripe right here. Actually, it's 3M. I can see the 3M reflecting off of it too. You have in the inside, of course, hold up, let me get this to focus in there. There we go. Yeezy, Adidas logo, Adidas right there. On the back of the shoe, love that little gum bottom hint right there. Give it a little, I don't know what this thing focusing on. Give it a little contrast. That big stitch going all the way back. The pull tab, that's on mostly every V2 350. And let's get, of course, like on the other pairs you can't really see this little hint right here, but yes, little small hint. Adidas logo, Boost starting out. You have the Boost logo right there as well. Boost print, nice. I love this gum bottom on here though. This gum bottom, it really makes the shoe pop out a little bit more. I don't like that you can't see the St. Pablo Loves You 3. You can kind of see it, but you can't really see it. I really, they should have put it in like black or something right there. You can see like some little, like, I don't know if that's supposed to be the St. Pablo Loves You, but you can see like some little patterns right there. So I don't know if that's supposed to be the St. Pablo Loves You right there, but hey, it is what it is. And they always put some nice little suede on the inside. But these right here, just really honestly a nice clean fall colorway. Like you can't really go wrong with this. You know, you throw on a little jacket or something with these, you good to go, a little trench coat, whatever. These just a real mellow colorway. It's a real smooth, real mellow colorway. And I just think it was dope, man. You know, it ain't nothing that's too loud like the McChickens or nothing like that. The Zebras is, which is, I got on feet by the way. But you know, the Zebras ain't out there, but they kind of out there. And these and the Butters, they just kind of mellow. The Butters are way more harder to match with. That's why I copped these, because these are like a calmer Butter. Like the Butters, like it's easy, like somebody pissed on a pair of creams, and it's hard to get that colorway to pop out there with something. But this right here, real smooth, real cool colorway. And yeah, you really can't go wrong with this. And the gum bottom makes it pop out a little bit more. So I like that about it as well. Yeah, man. Real easy pickup. I hope everybody that's trying to get a pair or tried to get a pair got their pair. You know, it should have been a real easy cop. And yeah, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Did y'all cop? Did y'all pass on them? Y'all got better stuff to buy? Y'all waiting on the Concords? Y'all waiting on the red suedes or leathers? Whatever they supposed to be, y'all waiting on the Dornbecker collection. Let me know down in the comment section, did y'all cop, pass, and why? And man, don't forget, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And oh yeah, comment down below if y'all like me standing up doing my reviews, sitting down at the table, sitting down further back. Y'all want me to keep it in rotation, just do some standing up, do some sitting up close, do some sitting further back without the table. Comment all that down there in the comment section, man. And I hope everybody didn't gain too much weight for Thanksgiving. I put on a couple pounds. I'm about to work it off Monday. And yeah, that's it for my video, man. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we out this jam.